Hi, Ben here. Welcome back to another Work in Progress Wednesday. So it's a bit frantic at the moment. We've got lots of different projects on the go. At the moment, none are finished, but there's still potential because we are getting frantically ready for a show that is happening this weekend. We're going to be at the NEC this weekend at Makers Central, which is very exciting. It's the first time that we've ever attended, and we're going to be on the Tormek stand, so we're going to be doing a bit of spoon carving, a little bit of sharpening, and obviously have a few of our tools with us as well. So let me turn you around and you can see what we're working on, and hopefully you'll see them as a finished product at the show. So we've got a few woodlanders in various stages. We thought we'd bring some sort of stripped back, what we call our elementary woodlanders. So this is some nice English elm, no liners, so it's a sort of stripped back, 100% functional but not too blingy knife. So we're going to get that finished off and bring that along. This with a sort of dark stonewash blade, and then total contrast we've got something that's a bit more blingy, so polished blade, and this is some double dyed stabilized massa birch. So this has got this crazy sort of dark figuring to it, and we've gone for some really dark maroon liners on that as well. So they're going to be two sort of contrasting woodlanders that we're going to bring along. And then obviously, because we're going to be doing a bit of spoon carving, we've got this nice Craftsman, again like a elementary version, so no liners, nice English elm handle. So we're going to get that sort of finished off. And then this one that I'm kind of excited about, this is some really nice stabilized massa birch with some thick black G10 liners, and this is actually a flat grind. So this is a flat grind, full flat grind with a acid stonewash finish. So I'm kind of excited about finishing that off as well, seeing what that look turns out to be. So yeah, there's a few other ones that I've got to finish off for a few orders as well, and some that are a bit more sort of tactical, I suppose, if you want to call it that word. This is green canvas micarta with some thick red liners as well. So it's probably quite fun for you guys to see this sort of ugly bulk of material that gets turned into a lovely sculpted handle at the end of the day as well. So yeah, a few on the go, and if I get time as well, I did make another one of those hunter orange with moon glow liners parangs as well. So if I can get that finished, we'll have something that's a bit sci-fi and a bit funky, but we'll see how we go. We're sort of counting down to the weekend now, so we'll see what we can actually get done. So that's what we're working on at the moment in the grinding tank and getting the handles finished off. But obviously we've got a few more projects in the main workshop as well. But yeah, that's what we're trying to get finished off for the show. Really quite excited about going to the Makers Central show. We've never been there before. We've seen a few guys on YouTube and things that have been at previous shows. So yeah, if you are local to the NEC and you've got nothing planned for this weekend, please come along, because there's lots of things, not just us doing woodworking and spoon carving and sharpening. There's lots of different aspects, every kind of conceivable craft idea, from building robots to doing stuff with acrylics, every kind of conceivable material really. So it should be a lot of fun. We'll put link to the Makers Central in the description below, where you can get tickets and extra information on it. But if we don't see you at the show, we will see you next week for another Work in Progress Wednesday. Thanks for watching.